got color in your cheeks? Do you ever get that fear that you can't shift? The type that sticks around like summit in your teeth, but there's some aces up your sleeve. Have you no idea that you're in deep? I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee. Do I wanna know if you're feeling still survive? Sad to watch you go. I kinda hoped you'd stay tonight. Baby, we both know these midnight conversations never seem to live through daylight. Crawling back to you. Ever thought of calling when you've had a few? 'Cause I always do. Maybe I'm too busy being yours to fall for somebody new. Now I've thought it through, running back to you. Running back to you. So have you got the nerve? I've been wondering if your heart still leaves a little space for words. Slow it down and come a little close. Sorry if I lose control. It's just I always end up trying hard to let you know. I don't know if you feel the same beneath it all, but maybe we can still become something more. Crawling back to you. Crawling back to you. Ever thought of calling when you've had a few? You've had a few. You've had a few. 'Cause I always do. 'Cause I always do. Maybe I'm too busy being yours to fall for somebody new. Now I've thought it through. Do I wanna know if you're feeling still survive? Sad to watch you go. I kinda hoped you'd stay